Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then hi, this is Shrestha Kundu. Please consider subscribing my channel and press the bell button for the notifications from my side. Thank you.
I am so excited about today's video because in today's video I'm gonna be talking about I'm gonna be sharing everything about hyaluronic acid, the current buzz in town, and the hyaluronic acid serum I'm using right now. I'll share the review also. It is from one of my favorite brands. I'm so excited to tell everything, and I have noted down all of the questions one might have in their mind about hyaluronic acid. So please watch this video till the end. It will be beneficial for you, I promise you that. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching this video. So now quickly jump into the first question. Before that, I have timestamps here and in the description box as well. So if you want to skip this question or any particular question to another one, so you can do it. So the very first question is, what is this hyaluronic acid? And when we hear this word acid, it just freaks us out, I know, but don't worry, this is not dangerous like other acids, because this acid is basically produced by our own body, and the large amount of this acid stays in our own skin. Isn't it a great thing? And wait, this is not what I am telling you, this is what the dermatologist is saying. The hyaluronic acid retains water to keep our skin well lubricated and moist in daytime, nighttime as well. Every skincare product has some percentage of hyaluronic acid in themselves with different names. I'm not extending to there, but yeah, it has different names, and the decent percentage, the decent amount of hyaluronic acid should be in one product is 0.25 to 2.5%. Again, I have the screenshot on the second question that comes in our mind about hyaluronic acid is it a bad, like we know how acid works and how it's not good for our skin, but is it this hyaluronic acid is good for our skin? Is it? My answer to this question is yes, because just like every other skincare product, it has side effects. If you don't use it properly, you will face consequences like redness, soreness, and pimples, acne here and there. But if you use it properly and wisely, then you will get perfect result and get good benefits also. And dermatologists say that you can use hyaluronic acid every single day, but with proper application and the proper steps along with it. Third question is how to use it, and I think that I should answer this question with the example with the product I am currently using. So I'll give you the review and every details about the product and about hyaluronic acid at the same time. So the product I am currently using is L'Oréal Paris Revitalift 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is the product, as you can see. Coming to the packaging, look at this packaging. This looks super luxurious and premium. Just look at the glass bottle, and it comes with this kind of dropper application, and this kind of application makes your life easier. Trust me. This product of L'Oréal Paris is considered #1 product in Europe, China, and USA, and now it's available in India. It's the talk of the town right now. But the major key ingredient is hyaluronic acid, and the amount of hyaluronic acid in this serum is 1.5%, which is really a decent amount of it. As I already said, that a decent amount is from 0.25 to 2.5%, and it has 1.5% in it. So I think this really works great. This serum with 1.5% concentration helps to hydrate your skin and increase the radiance level by 42%. That's not what I am saying, that's what dermatologists say. Now I'll talk about how I use it, that means the application. As I already showed you that this comes with the dropper applicator, which makes our life easier, which makes everything easier. So yeah, what I do, apply 3 to 4 drops of this hyaluronic acid serum on my face, and I massage it very gently, not harshly. So you have to keep one thing in mind, that when you are using this product, massaging this product, be gentle. Don't go too much harsh on your skin, because our skin is like a paper. So if you put extra pressure on our skin, you will face wrinkles and acne in the future. So that's why I'm telling you to massage it very gently on our skin and lock it with the moisturizer, because yeah, you have to use a moisturizer afterwards, because people make this one mistake when they use this kind of serum or hyaluronic acid. Specifically, they think that the serum is the last thing and they don't need to use anything afterwards. But guys, you need to lock this serum or the acid into your skin with the help of the moisturizer. So use a moisturizer that you have. That's how I use it. This product is paraben free, doesn't have any fragrance or extra added color. That's what I love about this product, because I love my product to be without fragrance, not color, fragrance. That's what my preferences are. It could not be for you. And the best part about this product is that it absorbs into our skin very quickly, without making our skin feel dull or dry. That's a great part. That's a great part about the acid serum. Like, it doesn't make our skin feel dry or dull. So yeah, I love this product. Okay, now I'll share my personal experience with this product and the ratings and everything. So yeah, I have been using this product since 5 to 6 days. I really don't remember the exact number, but I think it's been 1 week, I can say, and I got really good results. My skin feels so much good, and there is plumpiness in my skin, which I love. So, and I'm showing you a before after picture on the screen. As you can see that in the before picture I have redness and pimples here and there on my skin, but in the after picture, as you can see, there are no pimples and redness, and my skin looks much different and plumpy, and I can feel the texture change to a smoother feel. It gives a really gentle shine. I don't know how to describe it, like what beauty bloggers do, but trust me, it is really amazing. I am satisfied with this product. Only 2 sizes are available of this product. One is 15 ml rupees 499, and second is 30 ml rupees 999. And this is what 30 ml looks like. So I guess you understand how much will be the 15 ml. So yeah, but being a minimalist, I'm not suggesting you that you have to buy this product right now, right away. But if you want to invest on some hyaluronic acid and you just want to give it a try, so I would suggest you to buy this product, because this is the tested, like I have tested this product and I am the example, the living example of using this product. So I would suggest you to buy this product. This product is really a holy grail, and the wow factors need to be talked with excitement. That's why I have been excited from the very beginning of this video, trust me. And with that, I am ending this video, and that's all I had to talk about hyaluronic acid and the L'Oréal Paris Hyaluronic Acid 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. If you want to purchase it, I'll give you the link in the description box so you can check out. But yeah, if you want to invest on some hyaluronic acid serum, you should buy this product. Just you need to. But yeah, if you find any kind of unusual activities in your skin after using this product, you just go and consult with your doctor. I know this video is helpful. I know you loved it. So if you love this, then please like this video and comment if you like it or not, and share with everyone, because yeah, everyone should know about it. I hope you loved it, you enjoyed it. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live.